Noah had always struggled with money. No matter how hard he worked at his small accounting job, his bank balance never seemed to grow. Month after month, he barely managed to cover rent and expenses. The thought of financial freedom felt like a distant dream. One evening, while closing up at a local diner, he overheard a conversation about Mr. Grant, a reclusive investor who had built a quiet fortune. Unlike flashy entrepreneurs, Mr. Grant never boasted about his wealth, yet those who knew him whispered that he had cracked the code to financial success. Intrigued, Noah spent weeks trying to learn more about the mysterious man. His search finally led him to a small financial seminar where an elderly gentleman spoke of investing in overlooked opportunities rather than chasing trends. That night, in a dimly lit cafe, Noah found himself face to face with Mr. Grant himself. The old man, dressed simply in a sweater and jeans, listened patiently to Noah's frustrations. Then, with a calm smile, he said, "Wealth isn't about working harder, it's about making money work for you. Most people chase what's popular, but the real fortune is in what's ignored." Taking his advice to heart, Noah began researching niche investments, digital products, under-the-radar real estate, and high RPM content businesses. He learned that low-competition markets often held the most value. Instead of jumping into the crowded stock market, he focused on undervalued businesses, building passive income streams step by step. At first, progress was slow. There were moments of doubt and setbacks, but Noah stayed the course. He didn't brag about his journey, nor did he seek quick success. Over time, his patience paid off. His small investments turned into steady returns, and soon, he was making more from his passive income than his 9-to-5 job. Years later, as he sat in his new home, debt-free and financially independent, he thought back to that night at the cafe. Mr. Grant had given him more than investment advice, he had taught him a new way of thinking. True wealth isn't about making noise, it's about making the right moves in silence. Noah had become a silent investor, just like his mentor.